good morning. This is your Adithya. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to write a program to print even or odd numbers based on the user's choice in Python. The requirement of this program is to print even or odd numbers based on the user's choice. If the user gives 0, it means he wants even numbers. If he gives 1, it means he wants odd numbers. And we'll ask another input, which is the stop range value. If user's choice is 0 and stop value is 10, it should print the even numbers from 2 to 10. If user's choice is 1 and stop value is 10, it needs to print the odd numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, now let's see the code. This is the code. First, let's see what's in the main function. Choice equal to input, enter 0 for even numbers or 1 for odd numbers. Using the input function, we are asking the user the input and storing the input in the variable called as choice. Over here I am using the try except method. The try except method does what's in the try block, and if it gets any errors, it will do what's in the except block. First, let's see what's in the try block. Choice equal to int choice. Over here, we are converting the string data type into an integer. Let's assume that the user has given the choice as ABC. As we can't convert ABC into an integer, which is a string, it will throw an value error. As we know it will throw an value error, we are mentioning it over here that if it throw a value error, do what's in this except block. It will print enter a valid number. If the user enters the choice as 0 or 1, we'll validate that over here. Let's assume the user's choice is 0. As user's choice is 0 or 1, it will do what's in this if block. If it's not 0 or 1, for example 2, it will print enter a valid choice. Okay, now let's assume that the user has given the choice as 0. Now it will do what's inside the if statement. Stop equal to input, enter the stop range value. Okay. We are asking another input as enter the stop range value using the input function and storing it in the variable stop. Stop equal to int stop. We are converting the data type into an int data type. If stop less than or equal to 0, print stop value should be greater than 0. It means if the stop value is like two numbers are 0, it will print this error stop value should be greater than 0, or else it will do what's in the else statement. If choice equal to 0, start equal to 2. As if choice is equal to 0, he wants even numbers. So the start's value is 2, or else start's value is 1. Print nums start comma stop. Okay, now let's see what's the print nums function. Inside the print nums, for num in range, start comma stop plus 1 comma 2. It means the range function gives a number from the start start value, stop value and the step. Let's assume that the start's value is 2 and the stop's value is 10. First it will print 2. Next it will print 4. It will print 4 because the step value is 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So it will print 4. Okay, as you know that functions don't execute on their own, we need to call the print_num function. We are calling that function over here and passing its arguments, parameters. Okay, as we know that the main is also a function, we are calling the main function in the last line over here. Okay, now let's see our code in action. Okay, first let me enter 0 as the first input and 10 as the stop value. It printed what we expected, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now let me enter 1, which means I want odd numbers, and the stop range value is 10. This also came as expected. Now let me enter ABC. This too works. Okay, now let me enter ABC in the stop value. It also printed the error which we expected, which is enter a valid number. So program works. Thank you and please subscribe.